At 50,000 miles, almost every vehicle feels reliable. At 100,000 miles, most still seem healthy. But somewhere between 150,000 and 200,000 miles, the real test begins. Seals age. Cooling systems weaken. Suspension parts wear out. Transmissions accumulate heat cycles. Engines reveal how well they were designed. And this is where something interesting happens. Certain vehicles keep showing up at repair shops with 250,000 miles, then 300,000, sometimes even 400,000 miles. Not because they never break, not because they're magical, but because they age differently. Mechanics notice patterns most buyers never see. Patterns that only become obvious after decades of ownership. Because reliability is not measured at 50,000 miles. The real test begins when the entire vehicle starts aging together. And that's where the vehicles on this list separate themselves. Number 10. Toyota Avalon. The Avalon rarely gets much attention, but mechanics have quietly respected it for years. Especially V6-powered models. The engines age well. The transmissions are generally durable. Cooling systems remain predictable. Most repairs after 200,000 miles involve wear items rather than catastrophic failures. One technician described it perfectly. These cars usually die from age, not engineering mistakes. That distinction matters. Many vehicles become collections of expensive failures. The Avalon often becomes a collection of manageable maintenance items. And that's why these cars keep appearing with extraordinary mileage. Number 9. Honda Accord. The Accord built its reputation over decades, particularly four-cylinder models. What makes it special isn't perfection. It's durability combined with simplicity. The engines tolerate mileage well. Fuel systems age gracefully. Maintenance costs stay reasonable. Mechanics often notice something else. Owner loyalty. Many Accord owners keep their cars far longer than average. Why? Because the vehicle continues making financial sense. At 220,000 miles, at 250,000 miles, even beyond that. One veteran mechanic explained it this way. People stop fixing unreliable cars, they keep fixing Accords. That's what makes the Accord unique. Repairs remain worth making. Number 8. Lexus GX. This is where reliability becomes almost boring. And mechanics love boring. The Lexus GX was designed with durability as a priority. Its reputation isn't built on fuel economy or advanced technology. It's built on survival. The naturally aspirated V8 engines found in many GX models routinely accumulate enormous mileage. The transmissions are conservative. The cooling systems are robust. The drivetrain was designed for demanding conditions. What surprises mechanics most is how often these vehicles arrive with high mileage and relatively few drivetrain complaints. Most repairs involve suspension components, aging rubber, and other wear items. The expensive mechanical core often remains healthy. That's where the GX separates itself. Durability isn't always about strength. Sometimes it's about avoiding unnecessary complexity. Number 7. Buick LeSabre. This is the surprise entry. Most enthusiasts never mention the LeSabre. Mechanics do, especially models equipped with GM's famous 3800 V6. No performance image, no luxury reputation, no excitement, just proven engineering. The 3800 engine earned a reputation for surviving extraordinary mileage. Parts remain affordable, repairs are straightforward, and many examples exceeded 200,000 miles long before high-mileage ownership became popular. One mechanic summed it up perfectly. Nobody brags about owning a LeSabre, they just keep driving it. Reliability and popularity aren't always the same thing. And that's why these cars continue appearing in discussions about long-term survivors. Number 6. Toyota 4Runner. The 4Runner occupies a unique place in reliability because unlike many high-mileage cars, these vehicles often live difficult lives. Towing, off-road use, extreme climates, heavy cargo. Yet mechanics consistently report impressive mileage totals. The reason comes down to proven fundamentals: conservative engine tuning, durable drivetrains, body-on-frame construction, engineering that prioritizes durability over efficiency. That doesn't mean ownership becomes free. Suspension work eventually arrives. Rust can become a problem in certain regions. Age-related maintenance still matters. But the mechanical foundation often remains surprisingly durable. What mechanics consistently observe is that properly maintained forerunners rarely seem concerned about mileage. They care far more about maintenance history. And that's a recurring theme throughout this list. Mileage matters. Maintenance matters more. Number 5. Toyota Camry. The Camry may be the least surprising vehicle on this list, but it's here for a reason. Mechanics see them constantly, and they continue seeing them long after many competitors disappear. The formula is simple: reliable engines, durable transmissions, predictable maintenance, affordable parts. What makes the Camry impressive is consistency. Not every example reaches 300,000 miles, but enough to that mechanics no longer find it unusual. One technician explained it perfectly. When a Camry comes in with 250,000 miles, nobody even mentions it anymore. Think about that. 250,000 miles has become normal. Very few vehicles achieve that reputation. Number 4. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V quietly became one of the most durable vehicles on the road. Not because it was flashy, not because it dominated headlines, but because it consistently delivered year after year. The engines generally age well. The drivetrains are relatively simple. Maintenance is straightforward. Ownership costs remain manageable. What mechanics appreciate most is predictability, because reliability isn't just about avoiding breakdowns. It's about avoiding unexpected breakdowns. Many CR-Vs arrive at shops with 220,000 miles, then 250,000, sometimes far more. And the conversations are usually about maintenance rather than major failures. That's exactly what long-term owners want. Number 3. Toyota Tundra. Trucks live harder lives than most passenger vehicles. They tow, they haul, they idle for long periods. They often accumulate heavy-duty miles. That's what makes the Toyota Tundra impressive, especially older V8-equipped models. Mechanics routinely report seeing examples with extraordinary mileage while retaining their original engine and transmission. The reason is conservative engineering. Toyota often sacrificed maximum performance in favor of durability. The engines weren't pushed to their limits. The transmissions operated with significant safety margins. Many components simply weren't working near maximum capacity. This matters enormously after 200,000 miles. Highly stressed components reveal weaknesses sooner. Under-stressed components often survive much longer. Age-related repairs still occur, but the expensive drivetrain components frequently remain healthy long after competitors require major work. Number 2. Lexus LS. The Lexus LS represents something unusual: luxury combined with durability. Historically, those two things haven't always gone together. Many luxury vehicles become expensive ownership challenges as mileage accumulates. The LS often followed a different path. Mechanics consistently praise the engineering quality. The engines are refined and durable. The transmissions age gracefully. The drivetrains often survive far longer than buyers expect. One mechanic described it this way: "These cars were engineered like somebody expected them to still be running 20 years later." And many are. What makes the LS impressive isn't just mileage, it's how the vehicle feels at high mileage. Many examples continue operating with refinement that's unusual after decades of use. That's where durability becomes obvious. Not just surviving, aging gracefully. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. If there is one vehicle mechanics repeatedly mention when discussing long-term durability, it's the Toyota Land Cruiser. Not because it's perfect, not because it never fails, but because its survival record is extraordinary. Around the world, Land Cruisers operate in conditions that destroy many vehicles. Extreme heat, extreme cold, remote locations, poor roads, heavy loads. Yet year after year, they continue operating. Mechanics consistently observe healthy drivetrains even after decades of service. Engines exceed mileage numbers that seem unrealistic. Transmissions survive astonishing workloads, and many examples remain in active use long after comparable vehicles have been retired. The secret isn't magic, it's engineering philosophy. The Land Cruiser was designed with durability as the primary objective. That philosophy influenced everything: cooling capacity, component sizing, drivetrain strength, Serviceability. The result is a vehicle that continues appearing with mileage totals that no longer surprise experienced mechanics. And that's why many technicians consider it one of the greatest long-term durability stories ever built. But here's the truth most buyers never realize. The list itself isn't the entire lesson. Every vehicle on this list shares something important. Maintenance mattered. The most reliable vehicle in the world can be destroyed through neglect. And average vehicles can often exceed expectations through disciplined ownership. Mechanics don't see reliability as a fixed characteristic. They see it as a partnership between engineering and maintenance. Engineering determines potential. Maintenance determines whether that potential is ever achieved. That's why two identical vehicles can age completely differently. One reaches 300,000 miles. The other struggles to reach 150,000. It's years of decisions, oil changes, cooling system service, transmission maintenance, fixing small problems before they become expensive ones. What mechanics consistently observe is that long-term survivors rarely happen by accident. The owners pay attention. Maintenance remains consistent. The vehicle receives care before symptoms become failures. And that's where the real lesson begins. Reliable vehicles aren't necessarily the fastest. They aren't always the newest. They aren't always the most expensive. They're often the vehicles that combine proven engineering with disciplined ownership. That's why simplicity appears repeatedly throughout this list. Simple systems often age better. Simple systems are easier to repair. Simple systems tolerate imperfect maintenance more effectively. And long-term ownership eventually exposes those advantages. Consumers see features. Mechanics see patterns. Consumers see advertisements. Mechanics see repair histories. And those histories tell the real story. The most reliable vehicles are the ones that continue doing their job long after everyone expects them to quit. So now I'm curious. Which vehicle have you personally seen exceed 200,000 miles? Would you rather own a reliable older vehicle or a newer vehicle loaded with complexity? And which vehicle do you think deserved a spot on this list? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy realistic mechanic-level insights about reliability, maintenance, and long-term ownership, subscribe and stick around. Because the smartest maintenance decision is usually the one you make long before anything actually breaks.